some achars with different flavors. Okay, we have some salad. Wow, here is a salad counter. You can select whatever salad you want. Some sweet counters. And on our left side, wow, here are some foods. There are a lot of varieties which we can check one by one. We have some kebabs. Actually, Danial is basically famous for their Iraqi style. And wow, some beef curries, some shrimp curries, and their kebabs are amazing, which I can taste one by one. Okay, here we have some vegetables, okay, that's the meat. Okay, that's the spaghettis, some Iraqi style biryani. They use plain rice, you know. Here we have chicken biryani, and now I can fill my plate and let's have a look. Here we came to Danial Restaurant. It's a Iraqi restaurant. So let's taste their kebabs, their fishes, their shrimps are very famous. So we're gonna taste some Iraqi food. Give me a high five. Today my son Zahur is with me. So let's have a look around and I will give you some good reviews. My starter with some hummus, tablouche and some green mixed vegetables, and here you can see some meat piece, some corn mixed vegetable, some coleslaw, some Iraqi style cheese. So, and here what I have, wow, amazing, man. I'm gonna taste some starter with some mixed salad. Wow. They have amazing juice, man. You can see my plates. Special roti. This is their chapati style. It's called the naan. So it's Iraqi style with some their kebabs and with some shrimp curry, some tikka, some beef, liver, and I have a lot of things. So I'm gonna taste one by one and give you reviews how it tastes like. Fill my plate with some kebabs, some tikkas with hummus, and let's have Zahur. Zahur, what you are having today? Okay. Take a bite and tell me how it tastes. Take a bite. Oh wow, Zahur like it. Laban inside? Wow. So you like it?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, I'm having some, you know, it's their famous is these kebab, which I'm gonna buy it with naan and with some hummus. Wow. It's amazing. They have no other comparison with this kebab. I can finish all the stock there, you know. And these kebabs are amazing. It's juicy flavor. Not the main thing of them is their every food is without spice. I'm gonna take one more bite. Their tikkas are so juicy. The grilled flavor is amazing. And here what we have, hamur fish. Now I'm gonna buy of hamur fish. Let me dip in hummus. amazing. It's a little salty. And the taste of grilled is amazing. I can't explain you, man. I just gonna eat and finish all my plate. Different kind of curries with me. So this is nasif. This is liver. This is meat in saloon, and this is chicken with vegetable. So let's start with nasif, because nasif is my favorite and it's a little bit spicy. Actually, this curry is made in tomato and some little spice. So let's taste. Ten out of 10, man. It's amazing in taste. You will love it. So next I'm gonna taste their liver. The liver is, I think, they make in pepper.
It's Sprite and cola only. No worries.
Wow. The liver one is also amazing. Now let's taste their chicken and vegetable. Actually, this all dishes you have to eat with the bread. So that's why I'm taking one bite of the bread. Perfect. This taste is amazing. The taste is like soup taste, and you can see how much I love this dish. So my last dish is mutton. This one is okay, just fine. In these 4 saloons, the one I love is nashif and chicken with vegetable. Rest of 2 liver and mutton is just okay. So you keep watching me on my channel, and I'm gonna finish my. I hope you guys like my videos, the style of the food, and I'm enjoying my mint drink with soda. Wow, the mint soda is amazing. The main thing of this soda, it digests your food side by side. So it's very nice. Cheers. So my last dish is seafood. I bring some crab, some shrimps. These are fresh boiled crabs, on crab and shrimps. So I'm gonna open it, and you have to make it clean by yourself. Look how I'm doing. I have to clean all its tongue from back and front. Its tail, everything is removed. Now it's neat and clean, so I'm gonna eat. Look, now it's done, and this is just, you can say, I'm taking a protein capsule. Actually, these are boiled only in salt, so there is only little taste of salt and natural taste of shrimps. So it's amazing. And here are the crabs. The way to eat the crab, you have to bite with your mouth or make a heart, because if you open from your hand, sometimes it is little hard to open. But these are boiled, so not too much. So here is the meat of crab, which you have to eat. Wow. This one is also like little bit salty. It's okay, but the shrimp. Okay friends, so I'm done now. I'm going. It was overall nice experience in Danial. Their food and everything was amazing, and I like their style, and overall I will give them 3.5. So it was nice. The environment is very good. So Hope you guys enjoy my video. Please subscribe me on my channel, Eat Sleep Travel, and next time I will take you some other restaurants. Friends, so that was my experience to Danial Restaurant. So I like it. Their location is nice and the food was amazing, and it was overall good experience with them. And so now I'm going back. So I hope you guys enjoy my videos. Zahur is with me. So
Please like and share and subscribe.
okay guys, so please like, share and subscribe. You can see my link down. Yeah, you saw. Okay, bye bye, good night. Say bye bye Zahur.
Bye-bye.